Hello guys, I am Ashish Sau. Today we'll discuss about speed torque convention and multi-quadrant operation of electrical drives. The speed is considered as positive when rotating in forward direction. Drive operating in one direction forward speed is normal speed. Up and down the motion drive. Speed of motion which causes upward motion is considered forward motion. Reversible drive. Forward speed is chosen arbitrarily. Positive motor torque is defined as the torque which produces acceleration in forward direction. Positive load torque is opposite in direction to positive motor torque. Motor torque is considered to be negative if it produces deceleration. Motor operates in two modes, motoring and braking. Motor provides motoring and braking in both forward and reverse direction. In this condition, we consider speed as omega is taken as positive when it is in anti-clockwise direction. In the motor torque, Tm is positive. It increases the speed in positive sense, and the load torque TL is positive if it is acting against the motor torque Tm. So in this first quadrant, the motor is in anti-clockwise direction, so it is taken as positive, and also the motor torque is in anti-clockwise direction, so it is also taken as positive. So the power omega into Tm is coming out positive, so it is in forward motoring mode in drive. In second quadrant, the speed of motor is omega in anti-clockwise direction, so it is taken as positive. But there the motor torque Tm is in clockwise direction, so it is taken as negative. So the power is also negative and is in forward braking. The third quadrant, the speed of motor omega is in clockwise direction and is taken negative. The motor torque Tm is assisting the speed of rotation, so it is taken as negative. Here the power comes out to be positive, but the rotation is in clockwise direction, so it is in reverse motoring mode. In the last fourth quadrant, the speed of omega is in clockwise direction, so it is taken as negative, and the motor torque Tm is in anti-clockwise direction, so it is taken as positive. Here the power motor torque into speed comes out to be negative, so it is in reverse braking. Quadrant operation can be explained clearly by taking example of a hoist. In this case, we are taking the loaded cage and the unloaded cage, that is the empty cage. In first quadrant, we are hoisting up the loaded cage and we are taking a counterweight whose weight is more than the empty cage and less than the loaded cage. So to lift up the loaded cage, motor has to rotate in anti-clockwise direction. When the motor running in anti-clockwise direction, the speed of motor omega m according to sign convention coming out to be positive. Now we have to lift up the loaded cage, so the motor torque must assist the speed of the rotation. So the motor torque also in anti-clockwise direction, so Tm is also positive. Then the load torque TL is always opposite of motor torque, so it is negative. But the power omega m into Tm is positive. Here the motor is in anti-clockwise direction and the power is positive, so it is forward motoring mode. In the second quadrant, we are hoisting up the empty cage, but the weight of counterweight is greater than that of empty cage, so it can easily lift up. So we have to manage the speed of empty cage. So in this case, to lift up the empty cage, the motor has to rotate in anti-clockwise direction, but considering the speed of empty cage, the motor torque should be in clockwise direction. In case of omega m is positive, Tm is negative, power is negative, so it is forward braking mode. In the third quadrant, we have to hoist down the empty cage, so the direction of motor should be in clockwise direction. Due to lift down the empty cage over the counterweight, we have to overcome the frictional force, so the motor torque should be in direction with speed of motor, so motor torque also be in clockwise direction. Here omega m is negative, Tm is negative and power is positive, so it is reverse motoring mode. In the fourth quadrant, we have to hush down the loaded case, so the direction of the motor should be in clockwise direction. But here the weight of loaded cage is greater than the counterweight of counter cage. So to manage the speed of direction of motor torque should be anti-clockwise direction. Here omega m is negative, Tm is positive, power is negative. So it is called as reverse braking mode.